What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can turn on profile views history on TikTok. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to go to on your TikTok. After opening the TikTok, what you have to do, you have to click on your profile in the left right corner, top right corner. Then you have to click on this option called profile view. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every step that I'm going to show you so that you can turn on profile views history on your TikTok. So after clicking on this icon, you can see here is an option called turn on profile views history. You have to turn this on. After turning this on, if someone view your profile or someone visited your TikTok profile, they will be appear here on the past 30 days. So if you want to turn it off, you have to click on the settings option. Then you can pretty much turn it off just like this. So this is how you can turn on or turn off profile views on your TikTok. So I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.